young rich niggas. You know, so we ain't really never had no old money. We got a whole lot of new money though.
If young Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot.
Boy, if you don't get...
What's good, boys? It's your boy, man, Pookie here, man. Nah, this might be my first vlog, you know, vlog IRL type video. You know, I'm about to go hoop it up, you know, at an alumni basketball game. My old high school, you know, me and my boys about to be lit. So, stay tuned.
Saw the way she looked me in my eyes. She said, baby, I am not afraid to die. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead.
Y'all been in this a long time. Walking down these hallways, bro. I used to get the most trouble in this bitch. Boy, god damn.
But on the junior side,
Bro, we put in work in this bitch. Look at the banner, bro. Oh, let me do my.
Why, what? Agree to what? Agree to what? To this game?
I'm hot like a sauna, yeah. The burner is on me. Can't play with that money, yeah. I'm fucking with Shorty. I'm loving the way that she fuck.
Same confidence you can tell.
First two? First two?
Come on!
Bruh.
You suck!
Stop it.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
You guys lighting me up for threes, man.
Yeah, they're actually thinking everything.
We need less about this. I see what they're doing. But just for that.
Yeah.
Perfect.
What? What the fuck? He traveled left. bad, George.
Bring that ass here.
Nigga!
Yeah, we wouldn't have even won the playoffs if we were playing this year with our team back then.
I know.
Pop a bottle, nigga, wild out.
Perfect.
Are you done? Are you done?
Nigga was talking shit. Charlie busts his ass.
Man, talk their shit, dog.
Yo, I thought this guy was a goat. He lied to me, bro. Whoa!
Straight L's.
Dog.
On 2K.
On 2K and in the kitchen. Bro, you didn't read the box, bro?
Oh, I got a blessed one right here. Somewhat.
Nigga burnt the chicken sticks. Oh no, dog. Not yo, ketchup wouldn't even save that. Ketchup wouldn't even save that, dog. You burnt the chicken strips, my nigga. I'm dead. Bro, so you mean to tell me grown men are playing this Mickey Mouse game, bro? 20, nigga, you're 20, dog. 21, fucking 21. Yo, David, what is going on, bro? This is something my little brother should be playing. My little brother's 2, dog. Yo, he's fighting pigs. Nah.
Hamsters, dog.
He's fighting hamsters. No, yeah, bro. Tell me, yo, this game better have been free, dog. Please, please tell me you didn't buy this, dog. Kingdom, what? Kingdom farts, be what the fuck
Really,
is
nigga?
this? Bro, this game, tell me this game's $20, dog. Dead ass. Cash, you paid $80 for this?
Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
I'm going home. I'm going home, dog. There's no way these niggas could have finessed 80 off of me for this, bro. You got me fucked up.
What is the price of this game for real?
Bro, check out your phone right now, dog. Yo, hamsters are spawning out of nowhere. What's the point, dog? Like, you know, some games have a point. All I seen is you fight hamsters for the past 5 minutes. Not too sure. I'm not too sure about this game either, dog. Shot, did you check? Bro, you're still trying to make that account, bro? You're tripping. Yeah, Cash, I don't know, dog. You might take an L for this one. I'm telling all your hoes.
Nigga!
I'm telling all his hoes, Charlie. Yo, you can't chat to this man, dog. This guy's at home playing Mickey Mouse, B. Come on. Kid Mickey Mouse, dog.
You stupid.
They're not.
Bro, we're finally going back outside, bro. Y'all niggas don't even want to see what y'all putting my hood on, bro. Hold on, let me turn the camera, dog. Look what the fuck going on here, boy. Damn, that nigga gotta walk his 2 dogs. I know he's salty.
Hey, yo.
No, yo, David, put your hood on, dog. Oh, dang, yo, that shit's trying to kill me, dog. Bro, I'm getting snow straight to the face, dog. Yo, let me get
Gotcha, bitch.
Oh, Shelly. Open the door, dog. Let me hit this bitch, dog. Whoa. Damn. Yo, Cash might get left, bro. Wow. Canada for you guys. That's what we be going through.
I don't give a fuck.
Take that old shoe, baby, swear. Cause that new mind, blue mind, ready to get, this is all they giving me. More bottles, more bitches, more gold, more hoes. This is all the victory. Balling hard in my IA. I just work in my mouth rate. Giving gas to the goddamn. Giving gas to the goddamn. I be talking like.
Yo, we're not in Alaska. I got my boots on. Straight ice pellets to the face, dog. Damn. Dog. God was hectic.
Hold up. Get right with you. I'ma get right with you. Bad bitches, fuck them, then dismiss them. Bad. Woo. I ain't really here to take no pictures. Flash.
But I thought I was tall. Boy, this nigga don't end. Look at this. Dog, this nigga's like 6'8", bro. Yo, David, what kind of milk you be drinking, dog? I need some of that, cause my girl stopped at 6'4". Yo, is he still growing? Me? Nah, him. Nah?
21 yet?
Perfect. Ooh, that's a puts in, bro. You Americans don't know about the puts in. Bro, he put the barbecue sauce on the puts in, my nigga. I'm done.
Oh, you guys ever tried that shit, man? That shit's fire.
Nah.
That's for a medium. This is like a medium?
This nigga be lifted, so he gotta eat like 10 million calories, B. They gave you a gun. Back it up, my nigga. Back it up. Yo, that shit crazy. Anyways, don't hold it, bro. Easy, guy. Easy cash. Yo, later. Yeah, bro.
If I'ma talk, I'ma keep it real. Me and my boys, we was.
Oh, yeah, for sure. Oh, boy, now I got this crazy. So get my shit. It's freezing. I'm out here blood. Bundle up, nigga. This is just the beginning of the snow shit. There's supposed to be a lot more. There's supposed to snow all day, too. Back out in the snow, man. This is gonna be a long, dreadful walk to my crib, bro. Dead ass. This wind blowing on my face and shit. Like, bro, I can't even see it. Look at my dreads, bro. They're frosty. So that's gonna do it for my first vlog. In the comment section, let me know which parts you guys like the most. Also, give this video a thumbs up. Let's aim for like 100 likes. 100 likes, and I'll bring you guys another one. Subscribe if you're new, and it's your boy Pookie Man, and I'm out. Peace.
Yo, this motherfucker's taking a video, bro.
Perfect.
They look up to me. I got fake people showing fake love to me. Straight up to my face. Straight up to my face. I've been down so long it look like up to me. They look up to me. I got fake